Hello, I am Mr. Mamadou Babanyambele, Director of Efan-mali multi-service agro-industry company based in Bamako, Mali. We joined FasterCapital Raise Capital program in February 2024. The terms has been great. We were helped. The feedback was very constructive and helped us to discover many weaknesses and gaps in the document we had. They also made several recommendations on how the information was presented. The report they sent was excellent in highlighting the investor perspective on what we did and improving the expertise, improve our business strategy, monetization model, and market research. We are currently raising 7 or 10 million to build our Efan-mali production factory and motor Efan-mali facility, and we are much more confident when approaching angel investor and venture capital firms. Thanks to the FasterCapital teams, we would like to congratulate the FasterCapital teams for their reliability and will express my full gratitude. I send you my deepest regard, Mr. Mamadou Babanyambele, Director of Efan-mali multi-service agro-industry company in Bamako, Mali. Thank you so much.